If Chrome is opening but your website still will not load, do not worry because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. These methods can help when a site is blank, stuck loading, showing an error, or just refusing to open at all. We'll start with the simplest fixes first, then move into deeper troubleshooting so you can get the website working again without wasting time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should try is a hard refresh. Chrome sometimes loads a saved version of a website instead of pulling the newest files from the server, and that can cause pages to break or not load correctly. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus F5 or try Ctrl plus Shift plus R. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This forces Chrome to ignore some of its saved data and reload the website from scratch. After that, check if the page opens normally. If the website is still not loading, the next step is to open an Incognito window. This is a really useful test because Incognito disables most extensions and uses a cleaner browsing session. To do this, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then select New Incognito Window. Once the private window opens, type the website address and press Enter. If the site loads in Incognito, that usually means an extension, cookie, or browser setting is interfering with the page. In that case, you can clear your browsing data or disable extensions later on. Now let's clear the cache and cookies. Over time, saved browser data can become corrupted, outdated, or incompatible with a website's current version. To clear it, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on Windows, or Command plus Shift plus Delete on Mac. In the Settings window, set the time range to all time. Then check the boxes for cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Once that is selected, click Delete Data. After the cleanup finishes, refresh the website and see if it starts loading properly. If the problem continues, the next thing to check is your Chrome extensions. Extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, antivirus add-ons, and script blockers can prevent websites from loading their normal files. To manage them, click the three dots in Chrome, hover over Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. From there, turn off the toggle switches for all extensions. Then go back and reload the broken website. If it starts working, turn the extensions back on one by one until you find the one causing the issue. That way you can keep Chrome working without losing the extensions you actually need. Another helpful fix is to flush the DNS cache. Your computer may be holding on to an outdated internet path for the website, which can stop it from loading even if everything looks fine in Chrome. On Windows, open the command prompt by typing CMD in the search bar. On Mac, open Terminal. Then type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. This clears the stored DNS information and forces your device to look up the website address again. After that, try loading the site once more in Chrome. If none of those steps work, the last major fix is to reset Chrome settings. This is a great option when deeper browser settings have been changed and are causing errors, but you still want to keep your bookmarks. Open Chrome Settings, then go to Reset Settings, click Restore Settings to their original defaults, and confirm by selecting Reset Settings. This will bring Chrome back to a cleaner state and can fix stubborn loading problems caused by misconfigured browser settings. So, to recap, if a website is not loading in Chrome, start with a hard refresh, then try Incognito mode, clear your cache and cookies, disable extensions, flush your DNS, and finally reset Chrome if needed. One of these steps usually solves the issue quickly. If this video helped you fix Chrome, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials, step-by-step fixes, and helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.